follow-up meeting, because from now on, every week, we will have a PMO office meeting, where a project review meeting with all of you who are in charge. Number one, the paperless for better customer experience. This online enrollment project is live. I did it already, it's closed. There's some only few adjustment going on. It's already done. I led that project. It was led by marketing before and was not done properly, and you know that marketing manager is gone. 2 weeks ago, we're gone. So I did it. I did the project live. Standard infrastructure services, CIS infrastructure upgrade project in progress. Jiang is leading this one. The priority is extremely high, very high. School operation and technology, that is the stream. The paperless is called the digital form in progress, led by Lei. The priority is medium, but actually it's not medium because it's belong to the PMO. It's never is medium. It's always anything in the PMO is always gonna get be done. And school operations, online education for CIS, e-learning lab for CIS, and this one's in progress. Jiang, you've been leading before. You need to be on track on that. Medium and the school teaching, but the priority is medium, so you can go a little bit slower on this. Okay, it's medium. We have a model education, VR lab for CIS, in progress. John, I'll give you the status update. We've been discussing with multiple companies like Microsoft, Google, Asus. What else? Those companies to create a new VR lab. It's not about just you wear a headset and you play some games. No, we want to run the classes inside of it. Revolutionize education. So anyway, I'm running this one. When I'm ready to onboard you, I'll onboard you. I'll prepare the whole thing. I'll prepare the whole framework, and then some of you will going to be the PM of that. The customer experience, CIS's user guideline in progress. Huang, very high. Monday, all the CIS is gonna have user manual. You promised me. You and Tao gonna work together on this one. All right? This is the one. IT services PR learning program in progress by Lei. So you're in charge on that one. This is for you guys, to support of you guys so you can learn from each other. You guys can learn from each other. Remember, who's your team? Who's your buddy? Who's your buddy? Yeah. Who's your buddy? Bao, right? Have meeting with Bao. Have meeting with you. At least every week. This is not for reporting only to me. It's reporting for yourself, so you're learning new thing and getting better. Otherwise, you're not. You become a dinosaur and you're out of the company. Don't be a dinosaur. Be an expert. That's the goal. So that's why this project is to be. That's why I put the priority very high. School operation and technology. What else we got? We got CIS service now. So this is the RT. Huang and Jiang and Lei, these 3 person. I want to give you a deadline, guys. Next week, if this project doesn't go live, set up properly, there will be a warning letter. We'll give it to you, not to you, to these 2 technical guys. I'm going to give you a warning letter, and that will make you feel you guys are not capable doing a service desk management. You have been doing a lot of stress management on this one. I don't understand why it's been so difficult for you guys to do it. Huang, you seriously on that project too, all right? RT, you're in charge right now. Priority high, school operations. Online English education, e-study online, in progress. Lei, leading this one with e-study team. Medium teaching. Standard infrastructure upgrade, BCIS, in progress is Jiang. Very high progress. IT services bids to be started from 15th of August. It's going to be led by Huang and Lei. All right? He will be doing this one too, giving you all kind of material. You just send it through. That's it. Or he can send you. I actually told him to learn and research MailChimp already. He's learning too. So when you learn, you just review the content. Make sure there is no typo. I don't want to see a lot of typo in IT services bids and all comes to the native English speaker. That will be pretty embarrassing. And then we got a standard infrastructure services, BCIS upgrade, IT services bids, CIO bids in progress. Lei. We already sent it out this week. The next one coming the next week. So he's already working on it. And then we have a general IT audit in progress. It will be on Jang. But anyway, this is happening already, parallel with ITM and NetGap for CIS and BCIS. So this is on progress as well too. So this is the way all the project management thing happen. Kui, you need to jump up, right? You need to tune up yourself and become person. So you can see the people who are in the column means they have something opportunity to show they're great, improve. Okay. So why you can see there's a lot of infrastructure project, and I will tell you the reason is there are so many infrastructure project is this. Look at this. This is our infrastructure. This is infrastructure. Disgusting, guys. Sorry, but this is not a high tech. This is the lowest tech. Another one. This down. Look at this. So these are not technology. These are a mess. So that's why our infrastructure becomes so important. So that's why we trigger two projects in CIS and BCIS at the same time. To do the audit, drive the problem, and then start punching the problem. I told you, goal is to kill the problem completely. No pulse. Then we stop. And this is the roadmap of solving this one. So our primary focus is we're going to focusing on the Wi-Fi system first, because user use the Wi-Fi and they cannot. Then they will do data center physical upgrade. That means we're going to solve this thing. We're going to solve this thing. We're going to solve this problem. This is priority 2, all right? So as soon as the Wi-Fi fix, we're going to jump into it and we're going to organize it, make it super solid. Because if it's like this, you can never have a stable internet, man. It have to be standardized, organized to do this one. There will be consulting company, we bring them in and document it, organize it, patch it, level it, and then it will be much stable. So this is where it is. And then third one, bring all the infrastructure under monitoring. Now, you don't monitor anything. Don't monitor anything. Nothing under monitor. It's a blind team. Think about it, you have no eye in IT. You got an eye for your body, but you have no eye in the IT. You are a blind team. You have no monitoring in anything. That is the goal number 1. Bring everything under monitoring. The thing you cannot see, you cannot measure. The thing you cannot measure, the thing you cannot improve. And if you cannot improve anything, the company will send you home. It's that simple. You are in the company for one and only reason, to get things better, fixing problems. Nothing else. Not pick up your kids, not put your kids on time and leave office at 5 exactly. Your one and only mission is getting things done. You're not in the company to keep watching the watch when it's 5 and I'm going to be out immediately. It happened before maybe for many years. And that's exactly why you guys are here in this mess. Now I'm showing you, you change yourself, you get better yourself, and you will be a great person in your career. You become more successful in your career too, and make your company better, make the team better as well too. So, what we will be doing right now? So you have seen that there are 2 teams, IT services. I told you, I'm not gonna tell you you belong to that. I let you choose which team you belong. So what I'm gonna do after this meeting, I'm gonna send you all the position description, job description, all the open positions. Send it to you. You're gonna read all of them, and and then you're gonna choose the 2 position, not 1. Don't pick 1. Pick 2. which you think you are most suitable. Pick two position and think which you are most suitable. And then by 2019 of July, you send me an email. So John, I choose this position and this position. This is my priority 1, this is my priority 2. You do that. It's very important because I want to know your priority 2. You're going to pick the priority 1, position title, priority 2, position title. Put it on. And then you also mention in your email what skill you already have to meet your position 1 and what things you need to improve yourself to meet the scope. You may say that, how do I know that? You can get it from the job description. You get it in the job description and then you map yourself. I'm not here to judge you. You will judge yourself and you choose your path. And then I will support you. I will mentor you to move forward. Because it's your life. It's your life, your career. And I told you, I'm so good boss that I let you choose where you want to go rather than I just punch you forward, push you forward. This is your role. No, that's not my style. So that is what it is. So after the meeting, you will receive the emails. That's why I told you that this meeting is so crucial for your career moving forward and also your team and your role in the company. That's why I mentioned that. Any question, guys? I'm done. This is the last slide. Any question? You can ask in Vietnamese.